Alphabets. An alphabet is the basis of a system of writing, using letters or characters to represent sounds or words. These are some of the oldest and most important alphabets: Greek, Cyrillic, Hebrew, Arabic, Chinese, and Japanese. The Greek alphabet is the oldest surviving European alphabet. The early Greek alphabet was written from right to left, but by about 500 BC, it was written from left to right. The Greeks introduced an uppercase known as capital letters and a lowercase small letters. The two cases are very different for some letters. Cyrillic. The Cyrillic alphabet was invented in the 9th century by two Greek missionaries, Saint Cyril and his brother Saint Methodius. It is used for Slavonic languages such as Russian, Bulgarian, and Ukrainian. The Russian Cyrillic alphabet originally had 43 letters, but the number was reduced to 33 after the Russian Revolution of 1917. Like the Greek alphabet, Cyrillic also has uppercase and lowercase versions of the alphabet. Hebrew. Hebrew is the written horizontally from right to left. Also, sometimes the letters are used as numerals. Arabic. Arabic evolved from Aramaic in the 4th century and is written from left to right. It consists of 28 consonants. Vowels are shown by marks placed above or below the consonants but are not always used. Arabic letters are written differently depending upon where they appear in the word. The positions of characters are known as final, means end, medial, means middle, initial, means beginning, and isolated on its own. Chinese and Japanese. These are logographic writing systems. This means that each symbol represents a word or a part of a word instead of a sound. The Chinese system has 40 to 50,000 characters and the Japanese system has 18,000. But you need to know only about 2,000 and 1,850 respectively to get by in these languages. In 1966, the Chinese language changed quite dramatically. When books and newspapers were printed, characters running horizontally from left to right rather than vertically from right to left, there is now a phonetic alphabet known as Pinyin, made up of 25 letters taken from the Roman alphabet. Most Chinese characters are made up of 8 basic strokes. These are all in the character for eternity. Inside, words in the Chinese direct dictionary are in order of the number of strokes they contain. Chinese verbs and adjectives usually contain only one character or syllable, but nouns often consist of 2 characters or more.